Welcome to Chapter 6. We're adding PHP sessions to persist user preferences, like theme selection across page loads. The application now remembers your choices. Select a theme, and it persists even after navigating away. Switch to sidebar theme. Now navigate to another page, and the theme stays. No URL parameter needed. The About page keeps your sidebar theme. Sessions provide seamless state management. Let's see the implementation. The CTX constructor starts the session automatically. Session status is checked before calling session start. The S's helper method handles session storage. It checks request first, then session, then uses the default. Init uses the S's method to persist page and theme. The method parameter defaults to list from the request. Theme fallback is handled gracefully. If a theme class doesn't exist, it falls back to simple. Home model tracks visits using sessions. First visit time and visit count are stored in the session. The util class provides a timeAgo helper, using match expressions to format elapsed time naturally. That's Chapter 6. Sessions provide persistent state without databases. Next chapter adds SQLite with PDO.